A Wisconsin judge heard oral arguments today in a case that would scrap permits for a pipeline reroute project.
Yeah, the Bad River Band of Lake Superior, Chippewa, and environmental groups are suing Enbridge. The company is in the middle of a pipeline reroute, moving Line 5 around the Bad River Reservation. The lawsuit seeks to overturn a permit awarded by the Wisconsin DNR to build 41 miles of new pipeline.
Environmental groups say the ongoing construction project threatens the health of the tribal waterways and wetlands. Enbridge says the project has been thoroughly studied, and today the band, environmental groups, and Enbridge delivered oral arguments in a Bayfield County courtroom. The hearing ended this afternoon with more briefs due next month.
Following today's hearing, Enbridge issued a statement saying they look forward to the judge's decision, saying the 117,000-page permitting record speaks for itself.
Meanwhile, an attorney for Earth Justice alleges Enbridge is spilling drilling fluid as it constructs the reroute. The group contends the DNR violated the law when they granted the permit.